America runs on hardworking auto pros, and for the past 100 years, NAPA has been right there with them, keeping their businesses strong and their customers on the road. That's why we're going coast to coast, visiting 50 NAPA Auto Parts stores and 50 NAPA Care Centers, meeting the teams that make it happen. And keeping customers on the road is not just a business, but a way of life for the Nigon family in Des Moines, Iowa. Since 1991, All Pro Servicenter has served the Des Moines area by sticking with their commitment to honesty, integrity, and treating their customers, their team members, and their community like family.
Hello, I'm Chris Nigon. I'm here with All Pro Servicenter. This is our first location since 1991, and we've been an auto care center since 1995. I'd love to show you our shop. Please follow me.
We started in 1991. This was a combination auto repair and transmission business.
We became a NAPA Auto Care in 1995. I was looking for some ways to make us look more professional, and I thought NAPA would be a good partner to help us do that, and I think it has been. It's been a good partnership.
The small beginnings of All Pro have grown into something much greater than they ever imagined. Over the years, the business has grown to 6 locations.
Our focus has always been on taking care of the customer as best we can.
The pair have passed the day-to-day operation of the business onto their sons, who treat each of the 6 locations like the heart of the communities they serve.
The way we did that was by treating each location as its own neighborhood, and doing a good job for those customers, and then growing on to the next neighborhood and the next neighborhood and the next neighborhood.
I just treat them like family. I was brought up with the golden rule. You always treat people the way you want to be treated. So if they have a problem, we always are there to help them.
The Nigon family goes out of their way to treat their team members like part of the extended family.
It's the right thing to do, I guess.
Well, when we first started, I think Gary wanted to be the best repair shop in Des Moines. I wanted to be the best place to work.
We're interested in our employees too, and so we help them as well. You know, if they have a problem, we help them with that problem. It's just kind of the ways that we are.
If we treat them like our family, they're going to treat us the same way and treat the customer's car the same way.
And sometimes family can be found in unexpected places.
So the story about my friend back here, Ron Lippeback, was we were racing figure 8. We raced figure 8s for a long time. He had a problem with his car. We helped him. He came to our shop, and he's never really left. We've tried to pay him. He will not accept any kind of payment. He gives customers rides. He picks up parts for us. He's here every day at 8 o'clock and leaves by like 11:30, comes to all of our Christmas parties and events, and he's just been with us, I think, 15, 16, 18 years, something like that.
The Nigons try to take advantage of all the programs NAPA has to offer, including the apprentice program.
We've always had an apprentice program. I think I may have even been the first apprentice. I'm not sure, but probably pretty close. And as time evolved, we came up with NAPA offered some written information, and we've incorporated that, and we've gotten better at bringing new people into the industry and bringing them along.
Chris describes Des Moines as the biggest small town you'll ever see. He knows that he's a part of the community and that the community is a part of him.
Well, yeah, Des Moines is the biggest little town. A lot of people that you meet or know will know someone that you know. It's just a very tight-knit kind of community. It's a great place to live. People are very nice. It's that Midwest nice feel. Everybody just is trying to do something nice for somebody else.
With over 30 years in business, a 3rd generation of Nigons is on the horizon to inherit Gary and Melody's dynasty.
To me, it's just been my whole life. I have just grown up knowing that this is what I want to do. Having the 3rd generation come in is just an added bonus. It just means that what we're doing is right, and if they show interest in it, we want to support them.
When we first started, he said he didn't intend to create a dynasty, and then he proceeded to create a dynasty.